Hello, boss. Just arrived at 3 refrigerated truck. Follow me. A 2021 40 all-in refrigerated truck is only $16,000. 2. A 2022 truck refrigerated truck is only $19,000. 3. A 2021 40 all-in refrigerated truck is only $15,000. Have a look. Every truck in our shop has inspection report and export ready. Like my trucks, hit me up. I'm Jerry. 恭喜发财.
Jerry, can I interview you? You look like you know Kung Fu.
Yes.
What can you do?
I can do from the fridge.
Can you show us?
Sorry, we don't do free shows. Okay, move.
Hey Jerry, what are you doing? Hey!